day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Judilyn Colombino, 26 years old, single, with one child, age 3 years old. I have 3 sisters. I am second child of the family, living at Amabokan, Kawayan City, Isabela. I am a college graduate. I took of Bachelor of Elementary Education.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have previous work experience as a housemaid for almost 2 years. So I serve 5 persons of the family, 1 couple and 3 children, age 10, 15, and 22 years old. So my main duty is cleaning the house and cooking. And also, I work experience as a teaching. I teach grade 1 and grade 2 students. I teach English and Filipino subject.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I check the temperature and also tell to the employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm hardworking, honest, and responsible person.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir. None, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
None, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad to provide my family, especially to my sons.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My parents, sir.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus to my work because remind myself I need this job.
Okay. Ulitin natin. Dagdagan mo yung presentation mo dun sa sa teaching. Ano tinuturo mo dun sa sa
English and Filipino subject, sir.
ano yung sa English? Ano yung tinuturo mo dun?
Ay, sabihin ba yun, sir?
Oo.
Araling Palipunan pa din, sir. Ay, sa English, sir?
Oo.
Ano ba?
Yung iba ay basic ano parang yung mga basic
Ano ba yung mga pwede
mga
bang
spelling
ituro?
siguro ganyan
Sir?
spelling paano ba ang
Hindi,
turo
grade
kayo
1.
doon?
Yung mga English. Ikaw nagturo, di ba? Grade 1.
Sige kahit na gano'n na lang
Ganun na
Ayusin
lang,
mo.
sir?
Ayusin mo okay smile 1 pwede bang ayusin yan? Ayusin mo
Basta ba lata din, sir? Di subjecting.
sige yan sige lagay mo Ayan. Okay, final na tayo. Final. Smile.